Chat GPT-4 outperforms human psychologists in a groundbreaking study on social intelligence, shedding light on the capabilities of AI in psychotherapy. Published in Frontiers in Psychology, the study compared Chat GPT-4, Google Bard, and Bing against 180 psychologists from King College University. The results were striking. Chat GPT-4 surpassed all human psychologists, scoring 59 out of 64 on social intelligence scale. Google Bard's performance was comparable to bachelor students, while Bing outperformed 90% of bachelor students and matched 50% of doctoral students. These findings mark a significant milestone in AI's role in mental health services. However, they also raise important ethical questions about AI's ability to understand and analyze human emotions. As we navigate this new frontier, it's crucial to consider the implications of integrating AI into sensitive areas like psychotherapy. While AI may excel in certain tasks, the human touch remains irreplaceable, informing therapeutic relationships and empathizing with patients. The study provides valuable insights into the rapid advancements of artificial intelligence, but it also underscores the need for careful regulation and ethical guidelines in its development and deployment.